In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Trello Timeline. If you've ever wished you could see your Trello work laid out across days and weeks, the timeline view is perfect. It lets you visualize cards by date so you can spot overlaps, plan workloads, and keep everything on track at a glance. Start by opening your Trello board and heading to the Views area. Look for the View icon at the top of the board. This opens the menu of different ways to visualize your work. From that menu, choose Timeline. The board will switch from the standard list view to a calendar-style layout, with dates running across the top and your work displayed as bars or points depending on the dates you set. Now let's add something to the timeline from here. Click the Add button in the timeline view. When the options appear, choose Card. You're creating a standard Trello card, but doing it directly from the timeline makes it easy to place it on the right date from the start. Give your card a clear, action-oriented name so it's recognizable on the schedule. For example, Draft Project Brief instead of something vague. A descriptive title makes it easier to scan the timeline later and immediately understand what's happening when. Before you finish, add a date. You can set a single due date if it's a one-day task, or use a start and end date if it spans multiple days. If you know the time, include that too for tighter coordination. Setting dates here ensures the card appears exactly where you expect it on the timeline and keeps the rest of your planning accurate. Once you're ready, click Add Cart. Your new card will be created and displayed on the timeline in the position you selected. If you need to adjust timing, simply drag the card left or right to change the date, or pull the edges to lengthen or shorten the duration. This is one of the biggest advantages of Timeline: quick visual rescheduling without diving into each card. Finally, to place existing work onto the schedule, go to Today on the Timeline and drag and drop a card from its list onto the date. This instantly assigns the date and anchors the card on the timeline. You can repeat that for other cards to build out your plan. A few quick tips as you work. Zoom the timeline to a day, week, or month scale for the right level of detail. Use labels and members to make the schedule easier to scan. And when things change, just drag to reschedule. That's all you need to confidently use Trello Timeline to plan your work.